So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special, very interesting, and also a very helpful video for all of those people who want to develop their speaking skills and also their fluency. If you are also one of them, if you want to develop your fluency, if you want to speak the English language in a fluent version and also with a good pronunciation, then watch this video till the end, because today in this video I'm gonna give all of you game-changing practices. Yes, if you watch this video till the end and if you practice my practices for only 1 week, then instantly you are gonna see the results in your speaking. Yes, they are very easy and I want to share with everyone. There are many people who will give you and who are giving to you a number of advices, practices, but the 4 practices that I am gonna give you in this video, they are literally true. If the practices can help me to speak the English language now as I am speaking, then why not you? You also are gonna develop it very quickly. So without wasting any time, let's start my 4 practices which help me to make my English speaking more fluent and good. If you also want to know that why I am doing this type of activity now, then watch the video till the end, because my 4th practice is about it. Yes, why I am practicing it, what is the benefits, and how it will help us to develop our fluency. So just watch the video, it's gonna be very important, and I also will share with everyone when and how you can do this practice. So now, first of all, let's talk about the LSRW. I always say to everyone that LSRW is the first step of learning the English language. If you want to learn the English, then first of all you have to focus on your LSRW, and it may be any language, but if we want to learn any kind of language, first of all our first goal must be the LSRW. So just guys understand that if this LSRW can help us to learn the English, to speak the English, then obviously this LSRW will help us also to develop our fluency. So now first of all let's talk about what is exactly the LSRW. So LSRW is a short form of listening, speaking, reading and writing. Yes, listening, speaking, reading, writing. So the first step of us is gonna be the listening. Yes, listening is very important. How we learned our mother tongue? We everyone learned our mother tongue by listening. Yes, first of all we listened to our parents, our elders, and then with the help of this listening we stored a number of sentences and words in our brain, in our mother tongue, and then we started to use them and we started to speak our language. So it's a way how we learned our mother tongue. So English is also our second mother tongue. So that's why for to learn it we just focused on our listening, but now for to develop our fluency we will focus again in this listening, but in the another way. Yes, you have to listen great native speaker speeches, the American accent speaker speeches. Yes, you listen right, because all of the native speakers, the American accent people, they speak the English language so fast. Yes, and this also will give you a little bit problem. Okay, first of all few days when you will listen, then you are not gonna understand any words and any sentences, because their accent is like that, very fluent, very fast, and also like an American accent. Okay, so that's why you have to listen the same speech again and again and again. And when you will start listening first 3 2 times you will not understand anything, but after you are gonna understand something. So you have to practice this every day. After waking up or before sleeping, just open your internet and then search the speeches of fast speeches in English and then listen them carefully. Okay, after few days you are gonna observe that you are able now to understand all of that, and when you can complete the first step, then now you are totally and energetically ready for the second step, which is gonna be the now all of we are in a stage where we can listen and understand English in a fast form, but now also none of us we are prepared for to speak English in fast. But now a number of people, they are thinking that why I am focusing on the fast, because speaking English fast it not means speaking English fluent. Fluency and fast form, they are totally different. But try to understand that all of us now in this point, now in this stage, whenever you speak something in English, then it takes a long time. Yes, our brain is just store the words, sentences, and then it creates sentences, and then it provides us. But so it means that our brain is now in a slow form of speaking the English language. So first of all, we have to convert it into a fast form. Okay, and we will make this, then our brain will give us the sentences, the words very quickly, very fast, whatever we need in a particular moment. And also there is another very big benefit. It is that now if we start to speaking English very fast, very quickly, the words fast, the sentences fast, then slowly it will convert into a good pronunciation and a good accent and fluency, because at a stage our brain, our sentences, they will automatically start to join with one another, and this joining and also mixing two words, three words together, it's called a good pronunciation and a good accent. So now how we can speak English fast? So if you want to speak English fast, then first of all you have to focus on your reading. Yes, read English fast, because now we are not able to speak the English language fast, because our brain is now not so very powerful to do this activity. But now we are able to speak and to read English fast. Now how we will read English fast? Take the small quotes, this type of quotes, take small stories. It was my first step of learning the English language. When I started to learn the English language, then I also used to do this thing. Yes, my first story that I had read, it was The Healthiest Adventure from class 2. Okay, Marigold class 2. And I read the story for a lot of times, and also after reading the same story for 50, 60 times, I was able to speak the story very fast. And even I also memorized the whole story by reading only. And I also did the same activity with a number of stories, and that's why I was able at that moment to speak English fast, because I read the English fast. And now also whenever I get time, I read many quotes in one breath, very quickly. Yes, like when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on the possibilities, you will have more opportunity to a great man. Nothing is little. Beautiful days will not come to you. You must work towards them. One best book is equal to 100 miles. One good friend is equal to life. Everything is behind a crazy word, but nothing is behind a lazy word. Some people feel that now that they can do good for others. You will come back in an unexpected way. Don't worry about what I am doing. Worry about why you are worrying about what I am doing. This type of sentences that speak the English language fast. Read it. Take books. There are many stories you can find out from the internet, and this type of quotes. Just read them quickly, very fast, and with reading them, try to add more new sentences. Whatever coming in your brain, just speak. Okay, first of all, you will fumble, you will do many mistakes, but it will solve day by day. And when you will able to read them fast, then also slowly you are gonna get and you are gonna take the another means the next step of speaking the English fast. And if you can speak the English fast, then nothings are gonna be harmful and also hard for you. So now let's see that how we can speak the English. Everyone, my friends, try to understand. If you want to speak the English fluent, then first of all you have to speak it, because if you want to speak the English, then you have to speak it like riding the cycle. If you want to ride the cycle fast or slow, doesn't matter, but if you want to ride cycle, then you have to first of all ride the cycle by standing or not doing any activity. You can't understand, or you can't say that I can't ride the cycle, or I will ride the cycle only in one time. You will fall down, but after falling down every time, you have to get back up and you have to again start the journey. So it's also like this, speaking also like this. Now few days you have to speak the English language very much. The thing that I used to do very much, it is that practicing. Okay, I used to do many mistakes, but I would practice the English language. Okay, practicing is very important. How you will practicing? By speaking only. Okay, so now you have a small thinking about the fast, about the fluency speaking. Okay, you don't have to speak the another things. Many people say that, oh, we want to speak but we don't have topics. You have the topics, the codes, the stories that you have read for to develop your fastness, for to develop your quickness. just explain them. That's why I say that read the story, because when you will read the story, then after reading the story you also will get easily a way, and also a way of speaking. How you will speak? By the storytelling. So it is the thing. Just remember, speak English as much as you can speak. Just sit down, and then after sitting somewhere, speak. Okay, 1 hour, not 1 hour. First of all, 1 hour will be very very hard for the beginners. Not 1 hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Just speak. Just sit down and say your brain that you know, today I will practice the English language from this time to this time, and then I will go somewhere and I will do some activities. And if you also want to know my secret, how I practice the English language 24 hours in a day with my works, yes, the very important thing is I want to say to everyone that when I do some works, different works, while doing the work also I practice the English language. Now it is a secret, so that's why on the secret I already have made 4 videos. Okay, all of the videos link you are gonna get from the description, or in the end screen I also will show few of them. So it is the thing, practice English fast. Okay, fast speak, doesn't matter about anyone. When you will speak nowadays in your beginning time in front of some people, then the people will say a number of things to you. First thing they will say that, oh, you can't speak the English language well. It is not a way of speaking very fast. You are speaking fast. Okay, and we also Indian, we do a very big mistake. It is speaking slowly, because we think that, oh, now what I am speaking, with whom I am speaking, my sentences or my words, the person, you also have to understand. Okay, but no, the great people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, they don't care about anyone. They speak English very fast. If you also want to see their speeches, then you can. It will be a very very helpful thing for all of now, guys. It is the time for the practice. Yes, so it is not a practice. It is a warm up. Okay, for to speak. If you also now, if you are able to speak the English fast, to speak English very beautifully, good, fluently, then if you do this practice before the speaking, then your fluency are gonna double. Yes, it is the great practice, and it is also a very very good practice for American accent or any good accent, because whenever we do that, then our whole mouth is prepared and we warm ourselves for to speak English very fluently. Yes, it's a very very normal practice. Many big actresses, they also do this practice for to speak and for to say their dialogues more good and more well. And you don't have to do anything, just take a pen, a normal pencil or pen you have to take, and then you have to put it in your mouth as I show you in the thumbnail, like this. And then after putting it, speak. Okay, speak. That is a very big mistake that we all of Indians that we do. It is that we speak the English language, but in every word, our mouth shape, it becomes the like oh shit. Okay, like oh shit. Like for example, if you focus on your problems, you will have more problems. But if you focus on your possibilities, then you will have more opportunities. But when we do this practice, then we will realize that this pen is not letting our lips to make a shape of O. Okay, like see, like if you focus on problems, then you will not have more problems. But if you focus on possibilities, then you will have more opportunities. So after practicing this practice few days, then you also will be obsessed with it. Okay, your mouth is not gonna be in an O shape. Every like sentences, every words, you are gonna start speaking in a spreading mouth position. And if you do that, then all of the words, it will come more smoothly. And when we do, then with our mouth, with all of the words, many strength also we just invest with speaking the English. So that's why we also feel very very tired. But with this practice, you are not gonna feel. So guys, it was the practice. It is a warm-up practice that you have to do every day for 1 minute, 2 minutes before speaking. If you have a speech, if you have a little bit conversation with someone, then you can do this practice like a warm-up practice. Like we also dressed ourselves, we decorate ourselves for to go somewhere. It is also a practice that will help you to decorate your speaking for to speak. the English. So remember it, it will be the greatest practice. And this video also, if you like this video, if you learned something from this video, then for me this video deserve a like, and also subscribe my channel, because this type of videos I will only share with you, this type of practices, advices, rules and regulation for to develop your speaking, and also for to make your English speaking journey more shorter. So bye bye, I'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye. Nothing is little. Remember, what you think about my 4 practices, just say me in the down below. If you have any type of problems, question, then you can ask me. I will try my best for to give you the answer. Bye bye guys. Share with your friends and tell them that do these practices, otherwise your fluency is not gonna come in this world.